welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at question 1137 and Tribonacci number. The way we'll be approaching this problem is by actually using temporary variables to store the last three values. You could have possibly done this problem using Tribonacci of n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3, but unfortunately you get a time exceeded error. So we'll have to think of more creative ways, and this is how we'll be doing it. So first, what we want to do is we want to create, take care of the base cases. So what are the base cases? It's all the way until 2. So let's say if n is less than 3, we want to return something, right? So we would say n, return n if it is equal to 0, you would return 0, or if it is 1 or 2, you would return 1. So these are the base cases that we have right here. So as you see, for 0 it's 0, t1 is 1, t2 is 1. So these three base cases are covered right here. So for the base cases that are not covered, you would want to go through a for loop starting with 3 all the way till n. But before we actually enter the for loop, we need something else. And what are those things? We need 3 temporary variables. Let's say in sum, this will keep a track of the sum that we've seen so far. And we need 3 variables, a starting with, let's assign it as 0, and b to be 1, and c to be 1. And why do we have those numbers? Exactly to replicate this. So 0, 1, and 2. So the reason why we have a, b, and c is because for the 10th one, we'll just add a, b, and c, and we keep replacing those values as we keep implementing. So how does this work? So in sum would be equal to the sum of the previous 3 values that we have seen. So a plus b plus c, right? And then you want to update the value of a, so you would assign that as b, and you want to do the same for c, and then the c value would be the sum. So it's as simple as that, and in the end, you would just return the value of c. So let's quickly run this and see if it is okay. The first test case is okay. Everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So let's talk about the space and the time complexity of this problem. The time complexity of this problem is of n, and the reason why is because we have a for loop and we have to iterate through all of the values. And the space complexity is of 1, since we're using just like 4 constants to store the values, and we're not using anything else or any data structures that keep growing. So that's the solution. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I would really, really appreciate it. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.